Switching from lead acid to lithium in an RV is a straightforward upgrade, but there are a few key system changes to be aware of. The biggest one is charging. Lithium batteries require different charging voltages and profiles than lead acid. Your existing converter, inverter charger, or solar charge controller needs to be compatible with LiFePO4 or adjustable to the correct settings. Next is alternator charging. Lithium batteries can draw significantly more current than lead acid, which can put excess strain on your alternator. In many cases, adding a DC to DC charger is recommended to regulate current and protect your system. Cabling and system capacity are another important consideration. Lithium batteries can deliver higher sustained current, which means factory-installed wiring isn't always sized appropriately. Undersized cables can lead to voltage drop, heat, and reduced performance. It's important to confirm your cable sizing, connections, and overall system capacity are matched to your inverter and expected loads. You'll also want to review system protection. Proper fusing and disconnects become even more important with lithium due to higher available current. The good news is that in many cases, your existing inverter and overall system layout can remain the same. And once installed, lithium offers clear advantages. You get more usable capacity, consistent voltage, faster charging, and significantly longer lifespan compared to lead acid.